Startup checking video of Abdullah Kneader AE221 5 kg on 28 September 2023. This is the Daraz shipping label. The metal blade is included in it, measuring flask and warranty booklet. There are no damages. You can see all sides are okay. We'll show you from the bottom also. It is okay. Start it. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer will come to the off position. It makes dough very easily within 5 minutes. It's a lifesaver for housewives. You can see the machine has automatically stopped and everything is okay. It's time to pack it for the Daraz. This is the carton. Quick. Requesting you to give the review of the machine after being satisfied. Give the review on the Daraz review section, please. Orion Engineering Company.